Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Dante, and today we're going to look at alternatives to replacing a broken appliance, a washer in this particular case. And this one right here is our Whirlpool. It's a little bit older, but it is proven. It's a direct drive. It's nice. You can take a look on the inside. What I really like about these is that they're going to be a little bit cheaper. This is a reconditioned unit. The parts on this are meant to last longer than the newer ones. It's a lot less electrical, as you can tell. It's very standard, very basic. This is nice because you're dealing with water and electricity. They don't really mix that well, so you kind of don't run into those other issues that some people have with wires getting damaged due to that. The parts are a lot cheaper as well, which is also a really nice fact. They can range anywhere between, I would say, probably $30 to $200, and compared to the new units, the board that they have could be $300 to $450, I would say, as a max. The technology in this is just proven. They stand time. They work very well. They're going to wash your clothes equally as well as the new ones. If you can't really spend the money that you're trying to, or that you see that these newer ones are at, these are going to be your go-to. These are really good. So the parts on this, like I said, it's going to be a little bit cheaper. And if you take a look down inside, this has an agitator and has what we call as dog ear. So it's going to, ruffle and move your clothes. It's going to agitate them, as the name suggests, compared to the newer units that don't have that. They just kind of twist and spin, throw your clothes around. Yeah, this is, if you're trying to find the best unit for your money, you're not trying to spend a whole lot, a reconditioned appliance is going to be a really good option for you. It's something that you should look into. They're all fantastic. The washer and dryers are great. That's all I have for you today, guys. Just remember to click the link down so you go to our main channel, subscribe, and come back next week to see more videos of different appliances.